Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best snatch rigging blocks is probably one of the most crucial tools in any lifting and rigging operation. They are designed to make lifting and moving heavy objects easier and safer. These blocks use pulleys to provide a mechanical advantage, reducing the force needed to lift a load. Whether you're a professional rigger or a DIY enthusiast, understanding and using snatch blocks correctly can significantly improve your efficiency and safety. Number 5. TICONN 10-ton winch snatch block. This heavy-duty snatch block from TICONN is designed to double your winch's pulling power. It's perfect for getting your truck, tractor, ATV, or UTV out of tough spots. Made from heavy-duty steel, this block can handle a maximum load of 10 tons, 22,000 pounds. It's built to withstand the rigors of off-road recovery. This versatile tool works with both 7/32 to 3/8-inch steel cables and synthetic ropes. It's a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Rotate the rings for angled pulls, and the anti-corrosion coatings ensure it's a reliable accessory. This will help you get out of snow or any difficult situation. Always check the snatch block for any deformation before use. If there are any issues, replace it immediately. Remember to use grease fitting for maintenance. What we like. This snatch block is built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring it can handle tough recovery situations. It's also designed for a universal fit, compatible with both steel cables and synthetic ropes. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tool to double your winch's pulling power, this is a great choice. What people say. They have a grease fitting for lubrication and the sheave turns easily. The side plates rotate so you don't have to thread the cable through the block for ease of use. It seems very well made and super sturdy. Number 4. GearAmerica 25T Snatch Block Pulley. Facing obstacles on the trail. This GearAmerica snatch block helps you change the direction of your pull. It's perfect for getting your vehicle back on track, making recoveries easier. Want more power? This tool doubles or triples your pulling power. It eases the strain on your winch motor, extending its life, a truly universal 4x4 recovery tool. Need something strong? This snatch block has a high braking strength. It makes challenging recoveries simple. This works with both steel cables and synthetic ropes. It accommodates various diameters, making it a versatile tool for any recovery situation. It also has a greasable fitting for smooth operation. Looking for quality? This product offers legendary GearAmerica quality. It's backed by a lifetime replacement warranty, ensuring it's the last recovery gear you'll ever need. What we like. This block can double or even triple your pulling power, making challenging recoveries easier. With its high load capacity, it's ready for the toughest jobs. If you like having the most powerful gear, this is the one for you, ensuring you're prepared for any off-road challenge. What people say. Seems very well built and solid. I really like that it had a built-in grease zerk and can be greased. Considering it will be used in dirty, muddy conditions, it would have been nice to have a cap over the zerk. Worked well with my Polaris winch when I tested it out. Excellent quality, works very well. They seem to be holding up well. I like that they are very light and easy to work with. Number 3. GearAmerica Smart Snatch Block Pulley. Facing a stuck vehicle. This tool changes the direction of your pull, making recovery easier. It helps you navigate around obstacles, getting your ATV or 4x4 back on track. Want to boost your pulling strength? This winch snatch block gives you a mechanical advantage. It reduces strain on your winch motor, potentially extending its life. Don't let its size fool you. This compact tool packs a punch, fitting easily in your kit. It boasts a high braking strength, perfect for small to medium 4x4s. This versatile tool works with both D-rings and soft shackles. It accepts various rope types, up to a certain diameter. It's a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Experience GearAmerica's exceptional quality. This product is made to last and handle the toughest recoveries. Get the ultimate recovery gear for your adventures. What we like. This snatch block offers mighty strength in a compact package, perfect for your ATV or UTV kit. It boosts your pulling strength, reducing strain on your winch. If you are looking for a powerful yet space-saving solution for your off-road adventures, you should consider it. What people say. The Snatch block is well built and functions as designed. The design allows for easy and efficient rigging. It is a very useful tool for various pulling and lifting applications. Number 2. TGL Offroad Recovery Kit. This kit includes everything you need for off-road recovery. It's designed to help you get unstuck in various situations, ensuring you can safely recover your vehicle. It's compatible with Jeep, Ford, and Toyota vehicles. The kit features a heavy-duty tree saver strap and a tow strap with reinforced eye-loops. These are essential for safe and effective recovery. They are built to handle tough conditions and provide reliable performance. Included is a 10-ton snatch block pulley, which doubles your winch capacity or redirects the pulling angle. This allows you to tackle challenging recoveries with ease. The pulley is made of durable steel and is corrosion-resistant. The kit also includes 2 heavy-duty D-ring shackles. These are used for secure connections to other recovery gear. They are essential for connecting straps and other equipment safely during recovery operations. This recovery kit is perfect for winch recoveries, come-along winches, or emergency situations. It is compatible with Jeep, Ford, and Toyota vehicles. You can use the components separately or together for a complete recovery solution. What we like. This kit provides a complete off-road recovery solution, including a snatch block, tree saver strap, and D-ring shackles. The snatch block doubles your winch's capacity or redirects pulls. If you have a variety of recovery needs and want a comprehensive kit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Solid construction, easy to use. I use the tree saver to anchor the back of my Jeep to various stumps and the snatch block attached to the front of a very stuck 1-ton diesel Ram with a 40-foot gooseneck trailer behind it. I've used the snatch block as intended and very robust. Number 1. Rhino USA Snatch Block, Heavy-Duty Winch Recovery. This snatch block is brought to you by Rhino USA, a family-run business based in the USA. By choosing this product, you're supporting an American company. They are dedicated to providing top-quality equipment. This snatch block features a cutting-edge aerospace polymer pulley and drop-forged steel. It's built to withstand tough conditions. The design ensures durability and reliability. The snatch block is compatible with all winches and handles both synthetic rope and steel cable. It works with ropes and cables up to 3/8 inches. It is a versatile tool for various recovery situations. With this snatch block, you'll have the confidence to tackle any recovery situation. Knowing you have reliable equipment gives you peace of mind. It's designed to help you get out of tough spots. This snatch block increases the pulling power of your winch. It leverages mechanical advantage to reduce strain on the winch. It also increases winching efficiency and is perfect for redirected pulls. What we like. This snatch block features a cutting-edge aerospace polymer pulley and is built for heavy-duty use. It works with all winches, handling both synthetic rope and steel cable. If you like supporting a USA-based family business and want top-quality equipment, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a heavy-duty snatch block that will handle all your recovery needs. It is well made, and Rhino USA stands behind their products. It doesn't rattle, no sharp metal edges. Will work well with my synthetic winch line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.